New Gardens stands for quality. It stands for an intuitive connection with the customer and a high standard of delivery. We just love what we do.
What New Gardens were able to do was to understand us and interpret what we were looking for to present us with something that actually ticked the box.
We were desperately trying to find somebody to renovate the garden, having moved in, and we just had a flat track garden, just turf, that was it, with a little bit of paving.
Very quickly we establish a rapport. I'll see the space and realise what can be done with it and begin firing ideas, listening and trying to make everything that the client is looking for work in their space.
The drawings were done on a computer. We were able to walk around the garden with the pictures and see where things were going to be, and that was brilliant, and you could really relate to it, which is much nicer than just having a pencil drawing.
We both got really excited about it. The clear thinking that they'd had around how the garden could be used and what we wanted from it was reflected in the plan.
And then there's always toing and froing, there's communication as we sort of fine-tune a design.
They started work, and the first thing they had to do was to completely clear the garden and take it right back down to rubble. And what I was amazed with was, firstly, how fast they were, but secondly, how clean they were.
As the development continued, we could see areas where we wanted to tweak it, both New Garden and ourselves making those decisions together. I think it's fair to say that we couldn't wait to get home every night to see how the garden had developed during the day.
The client feels part of it and they're involved in the team.
The whole team were really friendly, and from day one we felt very comfortable with them.
We knew we could trust them. They clearly had a pride in what they were doing and they wanted it to be right.
We work well as a team, we enjoy one another's company, and nobody's satisfied unless they've delivered something that looks really stunning.
It looks tidy, it looks sharp, and then if we have people round, it's great. You know, it's such a fantastic entertaining space. You put the lights on at night, you light the fire pit, it just becomes a completely different space altogether. It brings out the best in people, I think, just being outside and being in that natural environment.
Finished article now is without question of a higher standard than we could have imagined. We were so impressed with the work that New Gardens were doing for us that we recommended them to our next door neighbours.
Overall, yeah, the process was a really enjoyable one, actually. It's about creating something together and building relationships with people while you're doing it.
It was a really enjoyable experience. I mean, you go into these things with a bit of nervousness because you're dependent on the contractor. And New Gardens, we trusted throughout the process, and we've definitely got a garden that we're really proud of.
It's so rewarding to make a difference to other people's lives. To be able to make a difference to people's homes and their living space, their quality of life is immense.